Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna make this 3D puff flower. So grab your hook and let's get started. First start with a magic ring and you can use the chain 4 method and slip stitch into the first chain. If you don't like to use the magic ring, it's totally up to you. Then chain 4. The 3 chains are counted as a double crochet, and this last chain is counted as the space between every 2 double crochets. Then we're gonna make a double crochet, then chain 1 and double crochet, chain 1, and we're gonna repeat this until you have in total 12 double crochets. The chains in the beginning are counted as well as a double crochet. Okay, so double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 until you have a total of 12. So let's meet each other at the end of this first row. And here I'm in the end of the row. I made a double crochet, chain 1, then tighten well the tail of the magic ring, and then slip stitch into the third chain. Okay, not the fourth, the third. Count from down 1 2 3 and then slip stitch into the third, because the fourth chain will be the first space. Okay, now the first round is already done. As you can see, I have 12 double crochets and 12 spaces. Now in the second row we have to make 6 petals. Okay, so every 1 petal will be done in 2 spaces. I chain 3 and then yarn over and fix this yarn with your index. As you can see, insert your hook into the first space and pull up a long loop. Okay, repeat this 6 times. Okay, so I made the first, the second, then the third. Fix this yarn with your finger, so you will keep the same length for the petal. Okay, now in total you have to make this 6 times. This is the first half of the petal. Okay, now for the second half we're gonna repeat the exactly same thing, but we're gonna make it inside the second space. I hope this is clear enough. So we made 6 yarn overs in the first space, and then we're gonna make the other 6 into the next space. Always put your finger into when you yarn over. Okay, so you can fix the length of the petal. And we're gonna make this for 6 times, then yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook. Okay, then chain 1 to lock the petal, as you can see, and then you have to chain 2. Okay, now what you have to do is, in the stitch of the next double crochet, do you see, you have to insert your hook into the V of this stitch. Okay, and then slip stitch. Now you have done your first petal. Okay, now we have to do the same steps for 5 more times. Okay, so chain 3 and then yarn over, fix your yarn and insert your hook into the next space, pull up the loop and repeat this 5 more times. In total you have to make 6 yarn overs, okay? In total 6 in the first half, and then in the second half we're gonna also make 6 yarn overs again, okay? As you can see, always fix your yarn and then we are working on the second space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook. Chain 1 to lock your petal and chain 2, 1 and 2. Go into the next stitch, okay? Into the next stitch you have to insert your hook into the V of the double crochet, the next double crochet, then slip stitch and give your petal a little push, and that's it. It's that simple. Then chain 3 and repeat the exact same steps, okay? So let's meet each other at the end of the row. So here I'm gonna make the second half of the last petal. As you can see, I'm gonna make 6 yarn overs and then yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook, okay? Chain 1, chain 2, 1, 2, and then slip stitch into this space, as you can see, into this stitch, sorry, not in the space, in the stitch, in the V of the next double crochet, okay? So give all the petals a push, as you can see here, and then cut your yarn. The first part is already done, and then pull your yarn now. You need to clean your yarn. Now I'm gonna use a different color of yarn to make the center of the flower. So here this yarn is tiny, that's why I used 2 instead of 1. Then I'm gonna chain 4. I made my slip knot, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm gonna repeat the exact same steps in the first part. I'm gonna yarn over, insert my hook into the first chain, pull up a loop, a long loop, then yarn over and repeat until until you have in total 6, okay? Now I'm gonna yarn over and pull through all loops, okay? Then chain 1, and that's it. We have our center. It's a puff stitch. I'm gonna chain 1 just to secure the work, and then cut your yarn. This is the center. You can push it a little bit. Now take your flower, turn it, and insert your hook. Then pull up the yarn, as you can see, and do the same thing with the other side. Insert your hook, pull your yarn, then fasten the yarn twice so it's well secured. Here we are at the end and we need just to clean all the yarn. As you can see, inside the stitches and there it is, a simple aesthetic puff flower. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crochet inspiration. I'd love to see your version, so tag me in your photos. Happy crocheting!